Alright, what's going on, guys? So today, this weekend, is SMS's Meihan event, which is all weekend. Half-day comp, half-day free track, and then Sunday free track, just like it was last time. But yeah, I'm getting packed up now. I need James and Mikey, then we're gonna head there.
What do you want to do with it?
Alright, so I ripped my bumper off the first go out there, so got ran over, but it's fine. It's not too terrible.
Sup, bro? So if everybody should already have a
slide into that thing. Oh shit! Look, you done got him excited. Perfect. He could have left it right here if he wanted, honestly. Right?
All right, guys. So here we are, per usual, a week later, and I did not record an outro. So here I am recording an outro. But Meihan was crazy. A bunch of people wrecked. It was a one-of-one of Meihan in Japan C course. Shout out to SMS. That was a great event. And thank y'all for putting it on as usual and working so hard to get everything put together. But as y'all can see, it was insane. Great weekend. Hung out a little bit, you know, at night on Saturday night, and woke up the next morning and drove. But yeah, as y'all saw, I lost my bumper, and yeah, it got ran over. But anyways, yeah, so it got ran over. I thought it was one of the homies, so I just kept running my own bumper over, and then they kept running it over, whatever. Hopefully the next time y'all see this thing, though, it will be a totally different color. I got new fenders for it, and I'm gonna paint it here. Might not be the next video. I know it's not gonna be the next video. It'll probably be the video after. It'll be different, so stay tuned for that. I also ordered a new set of coilovers. My clutch slave went out at the track. not really out, but it was leaking, and I guarantee that thing is 30 years old, so it was time for a new one. My throwout bearing is going out, so I'm just gonna replace the clutch, throwout bearing, pressure plate, all that. So I'm gonna make a video on us pulling the transmission out of this thing, putting the new clutch slave in it, and putting the coilovers on. So stay tuned for that. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and comment. And please leave a comment and tell me what you don't like, what you do like, whatever, so I can just use it in the next video as constructive criticism and, you know, better myself as a YouTuber. But yeah, I appreciate it, and I will see you on the next one.